Oh, there's the ferry now. There's the ferry, see?
What?
Say what?
What is it?
That's the ferry. The ferry left us. Say bye bye, ferry. Celine. Good morning from sunny Queensland. Good morning, Ate. Where are we? Brisbane. Morning, Daddy.
Morning.
Good morning, everyone.
They're
Welcome back sa ating channel. This is our first video of the year. Pasensyahan niyo na ang ating background ay very messy.
Why?
So, we are still in a hotel, guys. So, nandito kami ngayon sa Travel Lodge sa Mount Gravatt. And it's 2nd of January. Hindi ako nakapag-vlog yesterday. New Year kasi yeah, nag-relax lang kami, guys. Wala talaga kaming ginawa yesterday because, you know, it's been a very tiring last week of December. Alam niyo yun? So, wala kaming ginawa yesterday. Relax lang. Kaya, Happy New Year! Happy New Year, people! Happy New Year! Kakabalik lang pala ni baby sila natin tsaka ni Daddy. Pumunta sila ng shops.
Happy New Year, Mommy.
And, yeah.
Mommy?
Yes?
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year, honey. Tingnan niyo ang ating tawag sa likuran. Ating backyard ay puno ng
No, Mommy, that's a jungle as well.
What is it na?
That's a jungle.
It's a jungle, is it?
Yeah, it's the same one.
It's a jungle.
It looks like a jungle a little bit.
Yeah. So, today ay aalis tayo. It is currently 28 degrees. Diba? Ito yung pinuntahan natin dito sa Brisbane, diba? Yung weather.
I love Brisbane.
Hindi siya very, what is it na?
I love Brisbane.
To you?
Yep.
Oh, that's good. Are you enjoying your time here so far? Yes?
Yeah, I don't want to stay I don't want to stay to Melbourne. What?
So, yeah, pupuntahan natin yung lugar kung saan yung bagong magiging opisina ng ating Daddy Mike. So, Daddy's office will be in Newstead. And we are going there today just to check, you know, have a look around. We might catch an Uber to the city. What was the plan, Mom?
Well, if you want to bring the pram, we can't bring it on the bus.
Mm.
And if we want to catch the bus, we can, but we have to bring the carrier.
But she can stay
That's what I mean.
for long.
That's what I mean. So
Yeah. Okay, what did you say now?
I
I heard you say something.
I don't want to keep catching the Uber like too much. Come and taste a bit of Darwin. Tell me if you can taste the difference between this one and the one you had yesterday.
That's very sour, Bob.
But more taste, yeah?
Mommy,
Very
that's
sour. I'll show you guys off. So, umalis si Daddy Mike siya kasi baby Celine. And they came home with a pair of sneakers. It's not for me. It's for Daddy Mike. Ito talaga, sabi ni Daddy Mike, it's his guilty pleasure.
But Jovi didn't come home empty-handed.
And yun, binilhan niya ako ng chat time. This is my favorite in Melbourne, diba? Pero alam niyo, hindi siya kasing sarap. Uy, anak, mataga ka na.
Mommy, that's silly.
You are silly.
No, Daddy is.
Yes? Yeah. So we're very excited, guys. Oh my God. So we're starting the year here in Brisbane. And first video. And there's lots of things happening. So we'll keep you posted, of course. Dito ka naman tayo. Always naman tayo vlog para ma-update kayo kung ano yung mga pangyayari dito sa amin. Uy, careful, anak. Mataga ka.
Calm down.
You wanna calm down?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Okay, I'll change baby Celine.
Hold on, Paris wants
We'll
to have.
change your clothes, honey girl.
Paris wants. Yeah.
We'll change. Can you see yourself?
Hey, mommy.
Can you see yourself?
Hey, mommy, you have some in Paris.
Tingnan nyo, oh. Big girl na, oh. Big girl na bata. Are you enjoying your time here so far, Daddy?
Just enjoying some tropical fruit.
We have that in Melbourne, come on.
Yeah, but they have to import it.
Is that here?
There's Darwin. But, yeah, the calypsos are from here. Oh, they can probably grow Kensington Pride in here as well. But Kensington Pride really is from Darwin.
Oh, nagpa-haircut din pala si Daddy Mike. The other day. When was that? 31st, yeah? Wow, he looks clean.
A few moments later.
Where is Celine going? We are just waiting for our Uber, guys. Kasi mag-Uber daw kami papuntang city. So, dito kami nag-stay. Ate! Taras! Nalibang ka na? Ha? Okay. Diba tingnan nyo, guys? Naka-ano lang. Naka-short sleeve. And here's our daddy. Diba? Naka-shorts. Shorts for more. Si mami nyo ay naka-dress for more. Bongga. Bongga. Ito pala, guys, oh. Kita nyo sa reflection. Yes, nak. So we're here near the water, guys. We will catch the ferry and use it. Oh, there's the ferry now. There's the ferry, see?
What?
Say what?
Where is it? Where am I here?
That's the ferry. The ferry left us. Say bye-bye, ferry.
Mommy?
Come on, city girl.
Mommy?
Yes, no.
I can't see any whales.
Yeah, have a look at later. When we're in the ferry, see that's the ferry there? Go, go, go. And we'll see if there's a whale. Say bye-bye. Ferry. Biyaan na sad ni. We're here.
Mommy, keeping ice cream.
You want to get there, okay?
A few moments later.
We're here now, guys. Guess what? That is Daddy's new office. Wow. There you go. Maghahanap pa lang kami ng pagkain. I'm so hungry now. Nak, are you hungry na? Gising na pala ang ating baby shark. Do 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 do, baby shark.
I want ice cream.
You want ice cream? Oh, okay. We'll see if we can find ice cream here. Vanilla. It's so hungry. Oh, I think there's food there. Oh, Daddy, there's food there, Daddy. Go get food. Ganda, no? Muulan siya, guys. Hindi talaga siya heavy rain, ha? Pero, ano ba? Haligsik. Ano ba sa Tagalog yung haligsik? See? Merong mga konti lang naman. Konti lang naman. Ayan, oh. Ang building ng ating Daddy Mike. So, he'll be working here from the 17th of this month. So, ito na ang kanyang bagong opisina. That's cool. There's lots of food around. Oh, pwede mag-lunch break. Ganun. Maraming mga choices. Paris, Nicole! May isang baso dito na sobrang noisy, oh. Do you like Newstead, honey? Do you like Newstead? Do you? Do you? Tingnan nyo, nagpakarga na si Ate Paris. It's very nice, guys, kasi dyan, malapit sa yung office ni Daddy Mike, lahat shops. So, you know, during lunchtime and that. Perfect. For Daddy Mike. He loves his food. Paris, how do you feel there? Good? Yeah, I bet. Very nice, Daddy. Nice, very green.
Yeah.
Like lots of, trees and plants everywhere.
Salon.
Salon Papas. That's Salon Pass is like. Do you know Salon Pass, Pap?
What?
Salon Pass.
What about it?
It's the thing that you use if you have like muscle pain.
Is that
Yeah.
Salon Papas? So Papas is Greek.
Celine. So we're going back to catch the ferry to the city. I'll probably walk around the city for a little bit.
Yeah.
And then we will catch an Uber back. And we will catch an Uber back to.
We got a staff. Do you want to go to Staff
Oh,
Bank or do you want to go
okay.
to the city?
I'm not sure. Tingnan niyo, oh.
Celine's getting light hair.
So I
Yeah, you've got light hair too.
What can you see, Celine? Why are you hyper? Thank you. And
Lift your head up, Abu. Don't put your head. Don't put your head on my head because I will smash your teeth.
Celine. Ate, did you enjoy your ice cream? Yeah?
Enjoy your chicken.
Celine, kanin mo.
Lift your head up, yeah?
We're on the ferry now. La 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 la
Is it outside or
la.
is it inside?
Ba-bum, ba-bum, ba-bum.
Okay, look at that.
I want to sit in that.
Come on.
You want to sit outside? Can we go outside too? Oh, we can't fit the permanent. We'll just stay in here now, okay? So we can fit the permanent. Okay. Guys, it's very funny kasi hindi pa namin alam kung yung mga sinasakyan dito ba. So, sumakay kami niyan. Kitty Cat. Yan pala, yung Kitty Cat is mag-cross lang sila dito ba. So, doon kami kanina. So, dinala lang kami dito. So, I think we need to catch like a city cat to get back to the city. So, sobrang lapit lang guys. Doon lang, oh. Sa harapan. Tapos dito kami din rap. Nang hiya yan eh. So, maghihintay kami ng ano, yung city cat. But do you reckon, Bob?
Huh?
Do you reckon it will come here?
Yeah, of course.
Or else we're gonna stay here forever. I think that's city cat there, Bob. Oh. But it's going to Tenerife.
Yeah. It'll be. Remember, this is where the thing came back last time.
And I have to get my clothes here.
What are you talking about, Paris?
About Bruce in my head.
Bruce?
Yeah, in my head.
Bruce the shark?
Yes. Mommy.
Do you wanna go see Bruce the shark?
Yeah.
You think so?
Mommy.
We're in the city now. Ayan, Hermes, Cartier, Omega. Yes, all the brands. All the brands are here. Tingnan nyo, nagagalit na si Daddy Mike kay Paris, oh. Sobrang suki ba? Oh, tingnan nyo, oh. So, kilala na. Currently, 5 o'clock ng hapon. See, puti ba itong little girl natin, oh? Nakabalo ka, baby si Rinak. There's no issue. Huh? See? Happy girl. And you're soaking.
No, I'm not sitting.
Oh, okay, alright. Let's keep walking. Tingnan nyo, nag-soaking na siya, oh. You have to change her na. Ambot na lang, Disney mo pa rin siyang. Celine, good girl ni Mama.
A few moments later.
Hello? Hello, Melo? Hello, Melo? Kakagising lang nito guys sa kanyang nap. It's now 8 o'clock ng gabi in Brisbane. So it's 9 o'clock in Melbourne. Isn't that right, honey? Hawid-hawid tiil. Tingnan nyo, oh. Mag-acrobat ka na. Mag-acrobat ikaw. Doon siya nakatulog kanina guys sa kabilang bed. Tapos hindi ko na na-video kasi nag-relax-relaxing kami. Insert ko na lang yung photo. Murag-kurik guys. Like she was sleeping on her tummy. No. Nanak, no. Yung plano sana namin, pagka-uwi namin dito ay maglalaba kami. Kasi meron naman silang guest na laundry pa. Tingnan nyo. Wala na, hagok na. Nanak, no? Hagok na imong dada. Hagok na imong dada. King! Palangga si mama. Nalabas na ako ng damit niya, oh. We'll get you ready for bed. Like sleeping. Mamaya pa siguro to babalik magtulog kasi naka-idlip kanina. Were you tired na? From our walking in the city? Were you tired? The Paris is there. Nak. Baby girl. Ate Paris. Were you tired? Ayan siya, nakatulog pala yan siya sa sa Uber. Hindi daw siya tired pero nakatulog sa Uber. Nag-show tita and tito ko, anak. The spider. Where's the spider?
The star.
Hmm?
You can't see it anymore.
No, it's very dark, yeah? It's very dark. May spider kasi dyan sa window. Oh, we'll show them in the morning? Okay, we'll show in the morning. We'll show in the morning, nanak pa. We'll show in the morning. Let's jump to the beat of my own drum. Good girl ni mama. So, success yung ating walking kanina, guys. So, ayun, nakapunta. Hala, tingnan yung buhok ni mami niyo. So, nakapunta tayo doon sa, sa bagong opisina ni Daddy Mike. And, it's good. It's good area. I think, kasi doon lang talaga sa area na yun kami pumunta. Hindi na kami pumunta sa ibang side. So, I thought it was quiet. But then, doon talaga sa building talaga niya sa baba. Maraming shops and also. Yeah, it's good. It's good for Daddy Mike. Daddy Mike is very excited to start on the 17th. And then, yeah, naglakad-lakad kami sa city before because we caught the Uber from there. Kasi kung doon kami mag-start sa work na Daddy Mike, papunta dito, guys, ay $1 million. $1 million ang charge ng Uber. So, we caught the ferry and then nag-Uber. Naka? Uber. Just smiling, girl. I love you, anak. I love you, princess. So, that would be it for today, guys. Yun lang yung lakad natin for today. Bukas, obviously. Bukas pala. Magpapatato si Daddy Mike. May appointment siya tomorrow. Malapit lang dito. So, magwa-vlog tayo bukas ulit. That's about it for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. You're so beautiful, no? You're so beautiful kayo. Ang badlongan yung bata. Pakusibi. And make sure to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. And we hope to see you all in the next one. Don't forget to be good. And if you can't,
Bye.
say, ikaw na kabi. Be careful. Bye.
Be careful. Bye.
Bye. Mwah. Mwah. Mwah.